Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will make neem leaves and flowers tikki. For making neem leaves tikki, I took 25 neem leaves washed and soaked in water for 10 minutes. Chop the neem leaves into small thin pieces. Soak half small bowl sesame seeds into water for 10 minutes. I took 2 tablespoons rice flour for binding. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and few neem flowers. Neem flowers are edible and they have antibacterial and antifungal properties. In a mixing bowl, add chopped neem leaves. Drain out the water from the sesame seed. Then add rice flour for binding. Add few neem leaves and then add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Firstly mix well and then knead with your hand. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. For making tikki, dip your hands in water. Then take small amount of the mixture. Press lightly with your palm and fingers and make small round shape balls. Then again press with your palm and fingers for making flat tikki shape. Prepare all these and keep aside. Now turn on the flame and put a tawa. Pour a big teaspoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, reduce the heat and put the neem balls one by one. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes over low heat. Then flip the tikki and shallow fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Our tikki is ready for serving. Serve this neem leaves tikki on the auspicious occasion of Gudi Padwa. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.